Hey, what's up everybody, it's the Hyphenate here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to easily connect your Godox X3 Pro wireless trigger to a Godox Speedlight flash to control it off camera wirelessly. Here I have the Godox V860 Mark III, though this process will work with other Godox Speedlight flashes. I have both devices on, and what we're going to do is make sure that we put them on the same group, ID, and channel. First, let's go ahead and set our Speedlight flash to receiver mode. Right now you can see it says TTL, it's ready to go on camera. However, to go into receiver mode on the V860 Mark III, we're going to click the button on the far right. It looks like a little sideways lightning bolt with an arrow on each side. If you click that once, that'll take you to the transmitter mode. Not all Speedlight flashes have this, but the V860 Mark III does, and this actually works like the X3 Pro, where you can actually control and trigger other flashes off camera. However, we don't want to be in transmitter mode, we want to be in receiver mode so we can receive the data from the X3 Pro. So we're going to click that button on the far right one more time. And then you'll see here, it says RX in the middle. RX is for receiver. So whatever Speedlight flash you're using, make sure that you get into the RX receiver mode. Next, we're going to create a group here on the X3 Pro. If you don't see any groups here, click the little plus symbol here on the main page, and then choose whatever group you want. We're going to go with A. Close that. Now we're going to swipe down and go into the wireless page. And then here you'll see channel and ID. You can assign any combination you want. And if you're in an area where you might potentially have a lot of wireless signals going off, you can click on scan and it'll scan the area to find the ideal channel that it recommends you use. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to scan. Again, this takes about 30 seconds. It's 32 seconds technically. Again, you can still manually choose whatever channel you want, but when this is done, it's going to give you a recommendation for channels that work best in your environment. All right, and now that it's done, these are the channels that it recommends. We're going to go ahead and go with channel 7. ID, choose whatever you want. I tend to choose a higher number. I'm just going to go ahead and choose 90. Now, if you saw this screen change, that's because this Speedlight flash was already set to channel 7 and ID 90. So as soon as I matched it, whatever settings I had here on the Godox X3 Pro automatically reflected here the moment I matched them. So now if I go ahead and change by swiping left or right the output power, when I let go, it's going to reflect here on the flash. So you can see that it's already controlling the flash. Now let me show you step by step here on the Speedlight flash on how to match the channel, group, and ID in case you didn't already have them matching. Here when you're in RX mode, you can click on the group button and you can change the group until you get to the matching letter. For us, it's A. Next, we're going to choose on channel, CH, and then you can choose whatever channel you want to match your flash. And then you can go ahead and choose your channel. For us, we went with channel 7. And then lastly, we have to match the ID. So on the V860 Mark III, we go into the menu, and then we scroll down till we find ID, and then choose the same ID. Once that's done, click menu, and again, everything is now connected. Not only do you see the settings here, but now when I take a photo, you'll see the flash go off. So when you're able to adjust the output power, that means you're in manual mode. Let's go into the automatic mode, which is TTL. You can change modes per group. So we're going to go ahead in group A, just click here on the center, and then you'll see here you can still adjust the output power here on the top. And then here you can turn off the entire group, group A. If you click on that, everything goes dim. Let's turn it back on. And you'll see here there's an M button. That means manual, which we've been currently in manual. So if we click on that, now we can go to TTL. And you can do some compensation down or up. We're going to go ahead and keep it on 0. Again, TTL is automatic mode. So it'll automatically figure out what it thinks is the best output power to get the right exposure. And then here, you're also able to change the zoom of your flash. I'm currently on a 24mm lens, so it already recognizes it. But you can manually choose the zoom for your Speedlight flash. And at the bottom, you can actually turn on a modeling lamp if your Speedlight flash supports it. So we're going to go ahead and swipe to the right. It'll say turn on the modeling lamp main switch. Click yes. And as you can see, the modeling lamp is on. And then you can change the output of the lamp. I'm going to go ahead and swipe and turn that off. Now there has been a little bit of a glitch where even if I press off, it doesn't turn off. So I've had to turn off the Speedlight and then turn it back on. It doesn't happen all the time, but it does happen on occasion. Though another thing you can do is you can go to the main menu and then click the model button here, and it should turn off the model lamp. And then here in the menu, you also have the option to turn on high-speed sync. I pretty much almost always shoot with high-speed sync on. And then you can lock the screen if you want to, so you're not accidentally changing any output power or any settings. And if you want to unlock it, you'll get this little prompt, press and hold for 2 seconds to unlock. And there you go. Now you're good to go. So there you guys have it. That's how simple it is to connect your Godox X3 Pro wireless trigger to a Godox Speedlight flash for off-camera use. Now, if you're interested in getting any of this gear, I do have links in the description where you can purchase them. It doesn't change the price that you get it at, but it does help this channel. Also on this channel, I have a playlist for photography and flash photography, so make sure to check those out. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like, comment below if you have any questions, and please make sure to subscribe. I have a lot more videos coming soon. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.